In this video I will show you step by step how you can join friends on Among Us, and there is 2 crucial steps you need to follow, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our Among Us game. So what you need to do once you are on the main menu is we need to go to play, and then once you click on play, select online, and then once you do this you will now see a region in the bottom right hand corner. So if we click on this, you will now see North America, Europe and Asia. So the first step to play with friends on Among Us is to make sure that you have selected the same region as your friend. So for example, if your friend is Europe, you will need to select Europe, and then if they're in Asia, you can select Asia, and so on and so forth. So make sure you have selected the same one as your friend. And then the second thing that we need to do is if we go to enter in our friend's code. So let's enter in our friend's code now. What you'll notice is there is now a chat type. So you've got quick chat only and also free chat. So you also need to make sure that you have selected quick chat only if your friend has selected quick chat only. And if your friend has selected free chat, make sure that you select free chat, because if you have a different chat option, you will not be able to join your friend's game. So if you do these 2 simple things correctly, you will then be able to join friends and play with friends on Among Us.